Here's Shopify dropshipping, legit or a scam. In this video, I'm going to show you why Shopify dropshipping. This is the best and legit platform that you can use to do dropshipping, and also that you can use to do digital products, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get access with Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this video. It's going to take you to this page. So this is where you can able to get started for free using Shopify. So now let me show you some of the features that come with Shopify. As you can see that I've inside the members area of Shopify, so I'm using Shopify to sell the products, so I know what I'm talking about, guys. So Shopify, they have new features that you can use, and as this is a legit platform. So if let's say that you want to add some new products here, guys, all you have to do is just gonna go here to products. So under products, this is where you can also add your own products that you want to sell. Like you can able to import them here, or you can also import those products. Let me show you how to add a new product. Just click here to add a new product. When you click to add a new product, it's going to be showing you the title. So you have to give it a title of your product that you want to sell. Let's say that I want to make a title. I'm just going to say this title. I'm just going to use this. So this is the title of my product, and also this is the description. It is very, very important that you write a description for your product, so that the customers they have an idea on what the product that you are selling is all about, and also what the product that you are selling does. Okay, you can also write any content here, but what I like to do, I like to use this feature, this content writer from Shopify, that allows you to write any content with any product description. All you have to do, just click here to this generate text. You have to give Shopify some keywords that this AI tool is gonna write the content about. Okay, you have to give Shopify those keywords. So what you can see here, all you have to do is just put some keywords here. So these are the keywords that Shopify is gonna be writing the content for me. After that, you have to change the tone of voice. I'm gonna use it playful. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So as you can see that in just a few seconds, this AI tool, it is done writing the content for my description. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here to keep it, and then after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use also this content generator to write more content for me. I'm just gonna say this, and then I'm gonna change now the tone of voice to an expect. I'm just gonna click here to generate. As you can see, this is now the another description. I'm just gonna click here to keep it. So you can do all of those things, guys, using this Shopify feature that allows you to write any product description in fast. And also what you can do, you can also upload an image of your product. It is very, very important that you must upload an image of your product that you are selling on a Shopify store, so that the customers have an idea of how does your product that it looks like. Just click here, you can upload it, guys. Okay, you can also use this this price. Keep in mind, this is only in my currency. I'm in South Africa. This is the ZAR currency, but you can also change any currency that you want to use, maybe in dollars or in pounds. I'm just gonna put the price. This is only in my currency, in ZAR currency. Compare price. I'm just gonna put this one, and also the cost per item, I'm just gonna say this. So it's gonna be showing you all of the profit that you'll be making, and also the margins that you'll be making to your Shopify store. You can also put the weight of your product here. If you say that you want to rank your product, guys, okay, in the first engine of Google, you can also do some customization. You can do some customization here, so that your store will rank in the search engine as well. So this is we call the Shopify SEO optimization. And also what you can do, you can also choose the category of your product, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna use it like clothing, and after that you can just click here and save it. I'm not gonna save this one. This is how you can add a product, guys, on your Shopify store. You can also go to analytics. So on analytics, Shopify is gonna show you the statistics on how your store it is performing, like to the total sales that you have, and also you can do some customization. You can do some customization, and maybe you wanna check how many sales that you got in the last 12 months. You can check all of those things here, guys. Okay, you can also check the online store sessions, meaning that how many visitors that you got on your store. You can also check the online store conversion rate, like how your store it is converting, and also you can also check the top selling products on your Shopify store. If you have many products on your Shopify store. You can also check which products that are converting the most, so that you can scale the ones that are converting the best, guys. Okay, you can also offer some discounts on your Shopify store, so that what I like about discount is that you'll be getting more sales. You can also go to online store. This is where Shopify is going to be giving you all of these done for you themes that you can just add them to your Shopify, guys. I'm going to show you how does these themes they look like, and also these themes they are free. You don't have to pay anything using these themes that Shopify is going to be giving you. I'm just going to click here, and also I'm just going to preview some of these themes. I'm just gonna click here and view the demo. So this is the theme that you can have on a Shopify store. If they said you want to create a store based on clothing that you wanna sell, maybe caps, you can t-shirt, all of this stuff, you can do some customization here, guys. Okay, maybe you can also change the colors and also put the logos, and also you can also change the price. You can also change the currency, all of those things, guys. Okay, so now let me show you the pricing plans of Shopify. All you have to do, guys, okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's going to take you to this page. This is where you can able to get started for free using Shopify. As you can see that when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, you'll have 3 days free trial, but I highly recommend that you upgrade your trial only for $1, mean that you can access to up to for 30 days free trial with Shopify, guys. Okay, let me show you the pricing plans of Shopify. So the plan that I recommend for you guys is the basic plan. So this is the most popular plan that I'm using as well in my Shopify, guys. Okay, so what you can do, if you wanna pay on a monthly basis, it's gonna be costing you $25 per month, but if you wanna pay on a yearly basis, it's gonna be, you can save up to 25% off. The price is gonna be down for $19 per month, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna back to you as soon as possible, guys. Take care and may God bless you.